This is why you don't take your car to a dealership. So today I'm going to basically do all the maintenance on my car. So right behind me we have a lot of issues we have to fix today. I'm going to show you guys these little issues that we have to fix because I am currently going out of town tomorrow and I want to make sure everything is dialed to 100%. So I'm going to walk around and show you these issues that we're going to fix today. First thing we're going to do today, guys, is we are definitely going to change the oil. The oil is on 30%. Now, I haven't changed my oil in a very long time, and I took a long trip a long time ago and I forgot to come back home and change the oil then. So we're going to definitely do that first. Then we're going to rotate these tires. I haven't rotated my tires since I got these wheels. So we're going to fix my side skirts. So this has been a little loose. I hit something coming out of a parking lot one time and I haven't even looked at it since. This is loose too. So we're going to fix all these issues on the car today. All right, so we're back from AutoZone and I always use the Valvoline 020 with the KN oil filter. So right now we're about to put the car on jacks and we're gonna get to it. This is gonna be very easy, very simple. I have did oil changes plenty times. It's gonna be very fast because we got a lot of more things we got to get to. So all right, so I just got the cap off. I'm about to hit under here and loosen the bolt to drain the oil. Then we take the filter off, then we put the new 4 quarts in, and that'll be it. So let's do this real quick. Let this guy drain for a bit, and then we take the filter off. I tell you, man, change your oil is very simple. I don't know why. If you're capable of changing your oil, please don't take it to the dealership. They will charge you an arm and leg for a simple two-step process. Depends on what car you have too. Honda's very easy to change oil, very easy. Some cars, I had to change the car on a Camry once, and the oil filter was so different. Never seen nothing like that. But you live, you learn. So let this guy drain, then we get back on there and we will take care of the filter. The oil filter is out. Very simple. One thing about that KN oil filter, they have this wrench point where you can use your wrench and loosen it. Very simple, very easy. So this is the old one. We're gonna put it to the side, and then we're gonna put the new oil filter on. All right, so before you put the oil filter, the new one, under the car, you want to take a little dab of the old oil with your finger, like this. You just want to put it around, lubricate that guy. Then you're ready to go. And you all set, baby. In my tire. So for the past couple days, my front driver wheel been looking kind of weird to me. Like, it's been looking kind of off, and my TPMS kept coming up on my dashboard. So I just kept ignoring it. It got to be something. You know, all my tires, you know, they look okay, but I kept looking at the driver's side. I'm like, something's not right about that front tire. Let me dial into it today and see what's really going on, because it's really bugging me before I take this car out on the road. And came to find out, I have a nail in it, and that's why it's been driving a little bit to the left. You know, when I drive, it's not like I need alignment. I thought I need alignment, but I said no, it does it every now and then, so it can't be alignment. So it has to be the nail that was in this tire this whole time. That's why my driving been off. That's why the car's been acting kind of weird on the road. So right now I'm gonna take this tire down to Goodyear.
Several bad puns later. 1 hour later.
Okay, so some time has passed and I got my tire back. So what they did, that patched it up for me. But right now, I put this tire back on, and we're gonna fix the kit. So I'm not gonna worry about rotating tires. So we're just gonna scratch that out today. I can do it some other time, very soon. But we're going to fix the kit, put the tire back on, and then we're gonna wash the car because this car has been under a tree. So where my girlfriend stays at is like a lot of leaves and stuff. So I got bird poop on here and everything. So I want to get all that freshly cleaned up for this trip. So let's do this right quick and knock this out because the sun is out and it's getting hot. So let's go. Got one hole with that fixed at the body shop, but now it's on there and we're Gucci. So now we're gonna move to the other side, fix the back, and then we'll be completely done. All right, so it is back to the fitment that I like. So, my bad. So we're done with all the maintenance issues. So now I'm about to clean this car inside and out. This car needs a deep clean, a very, very deep clean. So I want to do my best to clean this car out inside and out, and then we'll be done. Okay. Oh, man. Alright, enjoy this video. If you're not new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. It helps out a lot on the channel. I am out of here for the day, guys. You know the saying, legit is out.